Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another unit, that is measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency refer to all those methods of statistical analysis by which average of the statistical series are worked out. Means the purpose of average is brief and simple representations of group of indivisible value so that the brain may be quickly grasp the general basis of the units of group. It means that one of the most important objective of statistical analysis is to obtain a single representative value. The one single value that read the characteristic of the complex and varied mass of data is called average or central value. The value always fall between the lowest and highest value of the data. It is generally located in the center or middle of the observation. An average is figure that represents the whole group. So it is called the measure of central tendency or measure of location. And basic purpose of average value, it is to identify such value that represent the characteristic of all the item in the series. Now purpose and functions and objectives means the first brief descriptions. The main purpose of average to present the simple and systematic descriptions of the principal features of the raw data, as a data can be easily understood. Second, comparison. Average help in making comparison of different set of data. For example, a comparison of per capita income of India and USA, so that per capita income of India is much less than per capita income of USA. Next, formulation of policy. Average help in formation of policy. For example, in India, per capita income is that much something that amount per annum, which is much less than many country in the world. Next, statistical analysis. Average constitute the basis of statistical analysis. For example, if we know that average mark is secured by the student of class in their different subject, one can easily analyze the subject in which the student are weak. Next, representations of the universe, or we can say one value for all. Average represent the universe or the mass of statistical data. One value represent all the value of series, and according conclusion can be drawn in respect of the universe as a whole. And some other objective and function, that is to help in decision making. Average are help for making decision in planning various field. For example, sale manager may need to know the average numbers of calls made per day by a salesman in the field. And we can also define the initials of good average, that is it should be simple to calculate and easy to understand and rich defined, and it should based on all the observations. So today we are going to discuss the arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean is the amount secured by dividing the sum of item in a series by their numbers. Means formula mean is equal to total value of the item divided by number of item. Means if all the value in a series are to be given equal importance, the arithmetic mean will be a suitable choice. We use this method in our everyday life. It is popular and most widely measures. And the type of arithmetic means, the arithmetic means are two types: simple arithmetic, average or means, and second is weightage arithmetic means. Thank you.